Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. This is SI Units Metric Conversion Introduction. All right, when we talk about the metric system, we're talking about kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, and milli. All right, please note that every one of these things seems to be going up a power of 10 in this direction and down a power of 10 in that direction. So between kilo and milli, it is based on the powers of 10. As you can see, the exponents right here also demonstrates a change in the powers of 10. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's look at our problem. Billy is an aspiring young would-be paleontologist and wants to travel back to the Jurassic time period. His loving, nurturing mother promises him a ride on the dinosaur train to fulfill his dream. However, the conductor tells him he has to be 100 centimeters tall to ride, and Billy is only 500 millimeters tall, and sends him away. How tall is Billy in centimeters? All right, for the first thing we want to do is we want to write down the number. So we're going to write down 500. There we go. And we're going to call it 500 millimeters, and we want to go to centimeters. Okay, so now, which one has the number? Well, millimeters. That's why I'm going to put an X right there. And we're going to write down the number here. 500. Does it have a decimal? No, it doesn't, so we're going to give it one, like I just did. And centimeter is bigger than millimeter. Think about it. Centimeter is a penny of a dollar, and millimeter would be 1,000th of a dollar. All right, so now we're going to go from millimeters to centimeters. So we're going to move the decimal one place over, and we're going to go to the left, like our arrow is telling us. And the answer is going to be Billy is 50 centimeters tall. Pretty snarly. Well, the conductor said he had to be 100 centimeters tall. So in actuality, how many millimeters would Billy have to be 100 centimeters tall? Well, we can do that problem real quickly. We take 100 centimeters here, okay, and we're going to convert that into millimeters, just like that. So the first thing we do is we'll write down the number, 100. And now we have to look at it closely. Does it have a decimal? And the answer is no, it doesn't have a decimal. So we're going to have to give it a decimal, like I just did there. So we're going to say, okay, which is bigger, a penny of a dollar or 1,000th of a dollar? Well, obviously a penny of the dollar is bigger, so centimeter is larger, and the arrow is going to point to millimeters. So we're going to put an X here with the centimeter because it has the number, and we're going to go to millimeter. We're going to go 1. So we're going to move it over one space. Hey, look, we have an empty cup. What do we put in empty cups? Zeros. So let's go ahead and write the number there. It's going to be 1,000 millimeters. Billy would have to be 1,000 millimeters to be 100 centimeters tall. Well, that's it for this lesson. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.